If you are looking to build Android applications or apps and position yourself in the mobile technology industry, then it's essential that you're familiar with the different programming languages you can use. In this video, you will explore two Android languages, Java and Kotlin. In the world of Android development, Java and Kotlin are both extremely popular programming languages. Java, which was released by Sun Microsystems in 1995, is one of the most popular programming languages in the developer community. Software developers use Java for a wide range of apps, such as Android apps, web apps, embedded systems, server apps, and more. For a long time, Android developers used Java to develop mobile apps because it was the only supported language. However, Android eventually needed a more modern language to complement the features of Java. This need inspired the development of Kotlin. Kotlin was introduced by JetBrains in 2011 and has since become one of the supported languages in Android Studio. In fact, over time, Kotlin has officially become the preferred language for Android app development. That's one of the reasons you'll be working with Kotlin in this course. Now, let's take a moment to consider some of the benefits of using Kotlin. In comparison to Java, Kotlin is concise and time-saving. It has simpler and fewer lines of code, reducing code errors and streamlining programming. Writing less code means that with Kotlin, it will be easier to maintain an entire project, regardless of its complexity level. Concise code is also easier to read and change. Another major advantage of Kotlin is that it is completely compatible or interoperable with Java. As a result, developers can use Java commands, libraries, and frameworks in Kotlin projects without any issue. Also, with a single click, you can convert Java code to Kotlin. Kotlin also addresses some of the common issues developers run into with Java. For example, it better handles errors that commonly cause crashes in Android apps. You have now been introduced to two Android programming languages, Java and Kotlin, and should have greater insight into why Kotlin has become the preferred language for Android app development. Keeping in mind the benefits of using Kotlin, I hope you are looking forward to working with this programming language when creating your own project for this course.